Right, we're sat in our Range Rover Sport L494 this morning, and we've had several people ask what are the options for upgrading the screens in the L494. Some people want to add Apple CarPlay and Google Maps and stuff, and we are going to show you probably next week if we get round to it, or maybe the week after, how to fit an Android head unit in here. Now, the screen that's just about to die on me, you'll notice, is only so wide, so it's only, I don't even know how many inches, like 8 inches wide, and these bits are not actual screen, they're not LCD, they're just backlit touch buttons. Okay, now the newer ones have got a bigger screen, look, so the screen goes the full width across here. Let me just turn the heating off, there we go. Okay, and people are saying, well, can we upgrade the screen to this screen? And on this one, sometimes they have what they call soft buttons, where it look like it's buttons and you touch the screen and it'll, but sometimes it uses the full width of the screen. But the answer is no. And let's go in the workshop and I'll show you why that's a really tricky / impossible upgrade. Right, so I've got the two screen units out now, so this is what you get. So this is what we were just looking at in our Range Rover Sport, which had the two side packs. This is what you actually have when you take it out, and I just worked out that it is my guess at 8 inches. I think I must have remembered. You measure screens diagonally, oddly, but that's the 8 inches, and this one is 10 1/4, right? So you'll notice on the back of this one you have lots of inputs for various things. So you'll have antennas and information coming from the car, and there's actually quite a computer in here, and it does all the computation and serves up the display to the screen. Now, if you look at the back of this big 10.25 one out of a 18-year Range Rover Sport, there you go, 494, hold on, it's only got one connection. Doesn't matter where I look, there's only one connection, and it looks like a sort of rear camera connection. So I'm pretty sure this screen is pretty much a dumb screen. It's not doing any computation, it's being sent its signal from here. There's two little connections on the side. Anyway, that's my view, and it's also, there doesn't look like there's much room for any circuit boards. This one's a big old fat thing. So I think that this is just a dumb screen. So I don't think you can take this unit out and fit this unit without changing a whole host of other stuff behind it. So I think if you want to go for this type of screen, you've got to fit one of the Android head units, and we will do a video. I have got the Android head unit, and we will do it. Okay, so that's just a little introduction there.